How to redeem a PlayStation's gift card. Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you want to redeem a PlayStation Store's voucher code, then first of all, you need to visit the PlayStation Store. Once you go to PlayStation Store, you have to get logged in into your account and select your profile at the top of the screen. Then after you should see a redeem code section from the drop down menu. Now hereby you have to carefully enter the 12-digit code which is for the voucher and then select the continue. The credit and the content is now applied to your account. So this is how you redeem a PlayStation voucher code. However, if you have a 10-digit code instead of a 12-digit code, then it is for the discount code. In that case, you again should go to the PlayStation Store shopping cart and then add items to your cart. Now, while checking out, select Enter Discount Code and enter the 10-digit discount code. Follow the on screen prompts and it will complete your purchase. But please note that discount codes cannot be used with the subscription services, pre orders, and other discount codes in the same purchase. So, this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.